Hello and welcome. I'm Angela, and I'm going to guide you through about a 7-minute practice. And today's practice is primarily going to be lateral poses. So we're going to reach into the sides of the body. And these types of poses are said to both be enlivening and also cooling. So in the season of summer, helpful to have practices and tools to help cool the system. And whether it is mental heat or whether it is physical heat, this can just help sort of release some of that excess. So feel your way into it, notice its impact on your unique constitution, and we'll go from there. Also, just an incredible reminder that we don't need a ton of time. So sometimes 7 minutes is a great opportunity to give ourselves time and space to recenter, to sort of shake things loose, and to feel a little differently in the body. So enjoy this practice. We begin standing. If you would like to cue up the playlist, 2 songs we're going to move through and see you on the other side. If you have the time, feel free to stay a little longer, or you can close with me. Let us begin. We'll begin standing, arms at the sides or hand to navel to heart, just taking a couple of breaths here. And right away, begin to feel the breath in the sides of the body, just a light touch of breath in the sides of your body. So we begin to breathe laterally as well as vertically in the body, laterally or horizontally. With your next inhale, sweep the arms wide and high, lift of the chin, you can open the eyes. And exhale, the navel draws in, slowly lower the arms in front of the face, the chest, the abdomen. And again, inhale, arms sweep high. Exhale, we slowly lower. This next one, inhale, sweep the arms. You're gonna link the thumbs. Breathe into the sides of the body so you can lightly lift your armpits, your collarbone. And then exhale, arms wide as we fold in. Inhale, arms wide, we rise all the way back up. Link the thumbs, we lengthen, and forward fold out over the legs. This time, inhale, halfway, walk your way around, finding a downward facing dog. And just start with a nice slow pedal of the legs. Bend the knees one at a time. Feel a nice stretch through the soles of the feet, enlivening of the legs. And now lifting the heels high, the hips high. We'll take a bend in the knees, press the chest toward the thighs, rocking the heels right. Possibly lift onto the tips of left fingers, take a little peek underneath that arm. We'll rock center. Keeping the bend, we take it the other direction, a little peek underneath your right arm. And again, inhale, center. Knees are gonna bend. And now slowly start to reach those heels toward the floor. Legs grow a little longer. We'll walk the right hand closer to the left. Step the right foot outside of the hand. Find a nice long lunge. And exhale, lift the hips. And again, we rock in this time, back heel all the way to the floor. And walk your hands forward at an angle. Let the head release. Light touch of breath in the sides of the body. We'll slowly walk hands back in. Right hand can land on the top of the foot or just inside the arch. Left hand, you're gonna lift it, give a press to your heart, and arm sweeps high. Staying right there, you reach the arm out overhead. We'll lower the hand, lift to center, and forward fold. Inhale to re-lengthen, walk all the way around to the second side. Finding that nice long lunge. Lift the hips. And we rock back in, back heel lands to the floor, hand to top of foot, inside the arch. Give a little press, reminder you are here. An arm floats high, staying there, reach the arm out overhead. We'll lower the hand, walk your way back to center. Inhale there, we lengthen and fold forward. Inhale to re-lengthen, walk your hands to a wide-legged dog pose. Light on the fingertips, heavy in the heels. Breath into the sides of the body, that light touch of breath, of awareness. As we aid the system in cooling, in calming. Slowly walk the hands back in and all the way around to the top of your mat. We'll step back, plank pose to down dog. Then you rock forward, right palm will stay planted. Rock your feet right. You can stack them or they can both be on the floor. Option to even bring your right knee down. And then we take that lateral pose. You're gonna reach out overhead. We'll re-land, shift to plank, and we take it across to the other side. We'll land the palm, rocking to plank pose. From here, bend the knees, you sweep back, down dog. Inhale, shifting forward to plank. We lower all the way down to the belly. Pause a moment there. Hands can stack, rest the head. Light touch of breath in the sides of the body. From here, we'll roll to our backs. Bending the knees, soles of the feet to the floor. Dynamic bridge. Inhale, we lift the hips, arms sweep up and over. Exhale, super slow, lower one vertebra at a time. And again, inhale, arms reach out overhead. Exhale, slowly lower one vertebra at a time. And once more, deep breath in. This time, out breath a little slower, a little longer. Again, cooling and calming the system. We pause there, arms at the sides or hands lightly on the body. Sensitive to the effect, the subtlety, the sweetness. We'll draw the knees into the chest. Give the knees a squeeze. As you draw the knees closer, see if you can almost resist taking the sitting bones further away. We'll release the feet to the floor, stretch the legs long. And for a moment, arms can extend out beyond the head, soft bend in the elbows. Light touch of breath in the sides of the body. And then landing hands. You're welcome to stay as long as your time allows. And from here, our practice is complete.